Hello everyone and welcome back to Benmarks Motors. Here we have a 2019 Hyundai Tucson. This is the 1.6 T-GDi Premium SE, finished in stunning phantom black metallic, which is a £665 factory option, but really complements the sharp styling of this SUV. Having covered just 28,000 miles and with only 2 previous keepers, this is a superb low mileage example of one of Hyundai's most desirable SUVs. Looks absolutely brilliant in black. And we've just had it nicely polished up as well, with a nice light ceramic coating on it. The black and the ceramic are probably my favourite bits on it. They complement each other really nicely. Under the bonnet is Hyundai's responsive 1.6 litre turbocharged petrol engine, which produces 177 brake horsepower, and that is paired with its smooth 7-speed automatic gearbox. It delivers effortless performance, refined motorway cruising and comfortable driving experience whether you're commuting, tackling the school run or just heading away for the weekend. This car's able to do it all. Starting at the front as we walk around. Got a really nice front on these ones. I like the LED lights at the bottom, the daytime running lights, and again the chrome styling really suits against the black. Coming around, there is a bit of oxidisation on the wheels, which is a bit unfortunate. I mean, if it was me, I would refurb the alloys, but it's not me, so as you can see there, a little bit of oxidisation. If you're wondering what I mean by oxidisation, sorry, it's basically just when a bit of air has got in underneath the lacquer peel on the underneath into the metallic, and it just basically creates a bit of an undesirable finish, unfortunately. But it's just cosmetic. Coming round looks really nice. Again, the black shines up really nice, especially in this sun. There we go. Rear wheel, get a bit of oxidisation again there. Wheel. There we go. Let's have a look inside. It is the Premium SE model, so it is Hyundai's top of the range shopping model. It's got everything you could dream of and more. Obviously 4 electric windows, your controls on the door, a few more controls to your right. Of course, it's got an electric boot, which you can open at a touch of a button. Press that one there, and up she goes. Boot goes up. We'll get to the boot in a second. Just have a look inside. So there, as you can see, it's just telling me the boot's open. But 28,544 miles, barely broken in. Nice heads-up display unit there, which looks really nice, easy to use and intuitive. You've got dual zone air conditioning below, which, to be fair, I've not had on a car before, but you've got cooling seats, which is really nice. Basically, the seats have got tiny holes in, and what it does is it blows air-conditioned air through your seat, so your seat gets nice and cold. So on a really hot day when you're sweating, you can put your seat on and your seat gets cold, which is nice. It's got 2 12-volt chargers underneath with a USB and an aux cable. This is a charging plate as well, so you can, if your phone has wireless charging, you can put it on there. 2 keys, which looks nice. They're always a bit of a brown colour, which I think is quite nice as well. The actually 7-speed automatic gearbox, nice and easy to use. Got a trigger on the front, which you push to remove. There we go. I'm showing you the sky at the moment because the boot's open, that is all. Put it back into park so we don't go anywhere. Coming down, you've got your parking brake release and some more buttons for stuff to do, such as your auto hold and your drive mode select. And it has got automatic parking as well, so you can press that and the car will park itself. Some storage space in there. Plenty of storage. Classic storage above. There we go. You do have your driving direction as well on your mirror up there, which is quite nice. You can turn that on and off if you didn't want it. My favourite thing about the car is the panoramic roof. It's got a really nice pan roof up there, as you can see, and looks really nice in there. And it is also it does open as well, giving you that nice feature of cool air coming in from the top, with a bug net that opens as well. Into the back, nice spacious rear, Nice seats, plenty of space, charging points down there, and a cup holders in the middle. It does have the Krell sound system as well. It apparently has a bit of hair stuck there, so apologies. A bit of Krell sound system as well. So your sound does sound nice. Obviously, the videos don't really do these cars justice. You do got to come down and see it yourself, take it out for a test drive. But this is a superb example. Large boot on these ones, and I do mean large. It's a very, very big boot with your spare tyre under there as well. Lots of room for the kids, the dogs. Don't put the kids in the boot, but you can put the dogs in the boot. But yeah, plenty of room and stuff in there. Obviously the seats do fall flat as well. Both seats go down, fall flat, giving you an extra large boot. And as mentioned, down she goes. So yeah, there's so much to this car. You're getting a lot of car for the price. Just looks really nice. If I was in the market for a nice family SUV for my kids, this would be the one. And I'm not being biased, I promise. So yeah, obviously the Tucson has built its reputation on practicality and reliability. Plenty of room for 5 adults, a generous boot, and that elevated driving position that gives excellent visibility, making it a fabulous all-rounder family vehicle. This example comes with 2 keys as shown and 6-month warranty included. You can upgrade that warranty as well if you're wanting more. We do offer up to 36 months. So if you're interested, do get in touch, come take it down for a test drive. Thanks again.